You don't need caffeine to feel awake. Just 5 minutes of jumping can power up your cells. Here's why it works. Most people wake up tired and go straight to coffee. But caffeine can mask fatigue, not fix it. If your cells are low on energy, your whole body feels drained. Inside every cell are mitochondria, your energy factories. The more active they are, the more alert and alive you feel. And guess what gets them firing fast? Movement, especially jumping. The secret is rebound movement, bouncing or jumping. It sends gentle pressure through your lymph and circulatory systems, oxygenating tissues and activating mitochondria in minutes. Just 5 minutes can give you sharper focus, more stamina, better circulation, faster metabolism, and natural energy without the crash. How to start? Jump lightly for 1-2 minutes, rest 30 seconds, repeat twice. Use a mat, skip rope, or just bounce in place. Make it fun. Music helps. Your mitochondria will thank you. Try this 5-minute jump for 7 days and feel the difference. For more quick science-backed biohacks, subscribe to Biovate.